Hi, I'm Chef Carol, and this is my new favorite cookie. It is a brown sugar shortbread cookie that I have converted. The actual recipe is on a site called thespruceeats.com. First, I'm going to start out by making the cookie dough, cutting the dough into wafers, and what I love to do at the end is dip them in chocolate ganache. Let's get started. So I have a half a cup of softened butter. I'm going to cream that with a quarter of a cup of Swerve brown sugar sweetener. I have my oven preheating to 325, and I have a parchment lined pan. I'm going to cream the sugar and the butter until it's light and fluffy. Always good to scrape down your bowl and make sure that all of the ingredients on the side and the bottom are being incorporated into the mix. Next, I'm going to add in the salt and the cornstarch. Now I'm going to add in the flour and beat it on the lowest speed. I want the mix to be crumbly. I want to be careful not to over mix it. I'm going to take this mix and place it on a piece of parchment. You could also do this on a floured surface. Roll this into a ball. So you want to knead it very gently. And this dough feels very soft to me. I am actually going to put it in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. I'll be back. I removed the dough. I actually put it in the freezer for about 10 minutes, just to make it a little easier to roll out. Try to roll it out to about between a half and a quarter of an inch.
No.
As you can see, this dough softens very quickly. So I'm just going to try to punch a few holes just to create that cracker effect. I'm going to bake these at 325 for about 20 to 24 minutes. I'm going to check them at 15. I made the chocolate ganache using 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 12 ounces of sugar-free chocolate bits, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. So I'm going to hope that the cookies hold together, and I'm just going to dip the ends. As I said before, this is my new favorite cookie, and because I love chocolate, it just makes it that much better. I store all of my cookies in the freezer. I actually like the near frozen cookies. But if you don't like frozen cookies, then these will hold up very well in the refrigerator. Until I'm ready to introduce my next cookie favorite, bon appetit.